Dakota Hood here. I'm here with Aaron Sladen at HD Fabrication in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We just actually recently installed Aaron's 13-foot by a quarter shear, as well as a 13-foot by 176-ton Smart Fab press brake. Aaron, just want to ask you a few questions as far as your experience from the beginning of the purchase to the installation and training process.
Super easy. Like I said, discovered you guys on Instagram. A lot of communication back and forth. Awesome start to finish.
Beautiful, beautiful. So Aaron, not having hydraulic press breaker shear in your shop until now, what is it going to do for your shop?
Possibilities. It just opens up a whole new avenue of other products and income coming into the shop.
Beautiful. That's what we like to hear. That's what we like to hear. Awesome. As far as the training process and installation process, would you say it was pretty smooth?
Oh, very smooth. Very easy. A lot quicker than you would imagine on new machines, and not as complicated as you think.
Beautiful. Well, Aaron, we do appreciate your business and look forward to establishing a strong relationship in the years to come. So, thank you.